The rose is red and smells so sweet, with soft round petals and thorny feet. It grows in gardens big and small. The rose is loved by one and all. Sunflower tall with yellow face, it turns to follow the sunlight's trace. With seeds and petals bold and bright, the sunflower is a happy sight. Tulip grows when spring is near, in many colors that bring us cheer. They bloom in rows and stand up high. Tulips wave as we walk by. Daisy's face is white and round, with yellow in the middle crown. It blooms in grass and sunny fields. Daisy joy is what it yields. Lotus floats on water clear, its pink-white petals spread with cheer. It opens up when sun is high. The lotus smiles up to the sky. Lavender stands in purple rose, its gentle smell just softly flows. It loves the sun and humming bees. Lavender dances in the breeze. Marigold is bright and bold, with orange petals dipped in gold. It grows in bunches near the gate. Marigold blooms look truly great. Flowers bloom in every land, in garden, forest, field, and sand. Some are tall and some are small, but kids can learn them all, all. Lily stands with petals wide, like snow-white bells from side to side. It grows near ponds or garden beds, with lovely leaves and tall green heads. Cherry blossoms soft and light, they bloom in spring, a pink delight. They fall like snow from trees so high, and paint the streets beneath the sky. Poppy blooms in fiery red, in fields and hills it makes its bed. Its petals thin like paper bright, the poppy glows in morning light. Jasmine grows on fences green, its scent is strong yet soft and clean. It blooms at night beneath the moon, and fills the air with lovely tune. Iris blooms in purple hue, sometimes yellow, white, or blue. It grows near streams and garden walls, and gently sways when raindrop falls. Daffodils like trumpets gold, they bloom in spring when winds are cold. With yellow crowns they nod and play. Daffodils cheer up the day. Peony blooms in color sweet, with rounded petals soft and neat. It's big and fluffy, pink or red. Peonies fill the flower bed. Bluebells spring in forest shade, they bloom in groups like blue parades. With tiny bells that gently swing, the bluebell makes the meadows sing. Zinnia stands in summer heat, with layered petals bold and neat. In gardens bright it finds its place. Zinnia wears a smiling face. Snapdragon opens wide and tall, like little mouths along a wall. In red and pink they snap with cheer. Snapdragons make you smile near. Morning glory climbs up high, its blooms look like stars in the sky. It opens up when day begins, and closes when the night creeps. vivid and colors rare. It grows where sun and breeze are strong. Anemone hums a flower song. Foxglove stands in purple rose with tiny bells where honey flows. But careful friends, don't take a bite. Foxglove is pretty but not quite right. Crocus comes when snow is gone. It pops right up to greet the dawn. In purple, yellow, white, or blue, the crocus says hello to you. Begonia blooms in rainy shade with curly leaves and flowers made. It loves to sit in quiet places. Begonia shows such pretty faces. Freesia brings a candy smell. Its colors shine and petals swell. It grows in bunches thin and tall, and Freesias make you smile, that's all. Cosmos blooms with gentle grace. It twirls and twinkles in its place. With pink and white and purple hue, the cosmos loves the sky so blue. Petunia sings in garden rows with pink and purple face that glows. It blooms in beds and hanging too. Petunias love the sky so blue. Flowers bloom in every land, in garden, forest, field, and sand. Some are tall and some are small, but kids can learn them all, all.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the song? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more songs like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can sing along too.